Hey everybody, my name's Andrew Robson and we're at Rakuyo Bonsai. This is my garden and nursery here in Portland, Oregon. Rakuyo is the Japanese word for deciduous or fallen leaves. And that's the type of bonsai that we're passionate about here and that we specialize in. This is a very young garden. We built this about a year ago, 2 years ago. This was totally just grass and mud. And so it's come a long way in a short time. There's still a long ways to go. But enjoy your tour. There's a lot of fun deciduous trees to look at and to chat about.